In this video, I'm going to show you how to check which app is using more battery within your phone, which application is consuming a lot of your battery. If you're new here, just make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. So all you have to do is head onto your phone settings. Head to your phone settings, just like that, import the word battery usage. Battery usage. Yes, then tap on that battery usage stats. When you tap on it, this is what appears on your screen. 4 hours, 445 hours. So when you scroll down, you can see the screen. Actually, the largest consumer of battery. As you can see, that's the screen, and when you tap on screen, it has been on for 4 hours, 40 minutes. You can see it's consuming almost 61%. And you can see the Android system is consuming more, and the list goes on and on downwards. So that's the video. If you picked fire in this video, just make sure you hit the like button down below and subscribe if you haven't. So thanks for watching. See you next time.